Now I will present Project 1. It is an investigation game built in MIT App Inventor. In the designer view, the screen uses 6 labels stacked vertically to display the mystery clue and suspect alibis. Below that, I added a list speaker button named interrogate suspect and added the 3 characters names, which is Alicia, Irene and Arina. At the bottom, label 7 is left blank to show the win or loss messages later. In the block view, I use the yellow when investigation.initializeDo block to automatically load our text into labels 1 through 6 the moment the app starts. To handle the game logic, the when list speaker 1 after picking do block uses an if then else statement to check if the user's selection equals to Alicia or any of the character names. Now in this section, they have button crime, button footage and button wires. When the user click on this button on the apps, it will show the message of a red pen was found in your office. If they click button crime, if they click button footage, the message will come as the camera shows Alicia near the office at 8 p.m. and so on. And then we have button witness. This is also the same. They have a message where in the message it will have the title of the witness interview and so on. And then we have button for the suspect Irene, Alicia and Arina. It is also the same. When you click the button, it will show the message. In this part, I put the initialized global time for 30 because it has 30 seconds for the user to answer the question. And then the BTN result where you can open another screen. And we also have the clock when clock 1.timer that give the time 30 seconds to operate directly. And you can also open another screen after that. For the designer in result, you can see that there is no image because I put it in the blocks because there are 2 images when you click the button submit. If you find the correct culprit, it will show green one where case solved while you will busy questioning the answer, and it will show an image that is different from the other one. When you click the wrong answer, the text will come up as a red color and a different image. That's why in the designer there is no image because it will directly open when you click the button submit. Now is Project 2 Movie Collection app. In the designer view, the layout has a search bar at the top made of a text box TXT search ID and a search button BTN search. Below the search bar, I stack 5 separate result labels: LBL result ID, true, LBL result rating to display the movie data rows clearly. And then when you click the first screen blocks, it will shows you can open another screen name, either Google Form or the search movie. And I'm moving to the second designer, which is search movie. You have LBS search title, LBS search ID, TST search ID, and button search, LBR result ID, and everything in it. In the block view, clicking the search button uses the Web 1 component to fetch a public Google Sheet link ending in output equal to CSV to get raw data text over the internet. When the data arrive, the when web1.got_text do block converts that text into a table list called movies. Because Google Sheet automatically adds a timestamp column as a column 1, our data indexes shift forward by 1. I program a for each item in list loop that checks column index 2 to find a match for the movie ID.